Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how you can be able to prepare a healthy breakfast, and it will be quick and easy. We're making oats, and for those of you who use milk, you can be able to go ahead and use milk, and if you don't use milk, you can be able to use plant-based milk or sesame seed milk, coconut milk, whichever you prefer. Just in case you don't feel like using any milk, please feel free to use water. It still works just fine. So we're going to start off by actually turning on the gas, and then we'll add to this some milk. So we'll just add the milk into the sufuria. Once you've added your milk, you're going to let it boil. The moment it boils, you're going to add some cinnamon to this. So today we're going to be using some powdered cinnamon. We have actually powdered some of our cinnamon so that we can be able to cook with it and use it. But if you don't want to use powdered cinnamon, you can still use, the cinnamon as it is. So once the milk has boiled, you're going to add your cinnamon to this. Just a half of a teaspoon is enough. And the cinnamon is going to be really helpful in making sure that you actually balance your blood sugar levels. So once we have that in check, we're going to add our oats. And that's what I'm going to do right now. Let's add our oats to this. And whatever amount that you use, make sure it's the amount that you feel is going to be suitable for you. If it's for the entire family, then you add some more. But if it's just for you, you can use about 3 to 4 spoons of oats. Make sure that you get rolled oats or steel cut oats. So we're going to keep on stirring. Don't forget, because we're using milk today, this is going to keep on rising, so make sure that your heat is on medium. But if you're in a hurry, you can add that, but then make sure that you keep a watch and you keep stirring. Then it will become thick consistency. If you don't want to use heat and actually cook your oats, you can soak them in cool or cold milk, and you'll be able to eat them. So soak them overnight. The next day you can actually enjoy your oats. So when you actually have this thick consistency, that means your oats are ready, and now it's time for you to serve and you can enjoy them. So now I'm going to add sesame seed butter. This is very healthy for you and very good for us women, especially if you want to balance your estrogen levels. And once we've added sesame seed butter, I'm also going to add peanut butter to this. So you can make your own homemade peanut butter. As you can see here, we have our very own. And once we've added this peanut butter, you can do a small spoon of peanut butter. I'm just, doing a lot just for the video, but make sure that you're also, adding healthy fats to your breakfast every single day. And now it's time for us to add the honey. Now it's time for us to add honey. Remember, this is going to be really good for your gut health. And to this, you can also add some fruit. When you add fruit, it's also going to be very healthy for you. You can choose bananas, you can choose any seasonal fruit as long as you've started your day right. Guys, our oats are ready and it only took us a very few minutes. It's time for us to try them out. Oh, this is going to actually be really, really good. This is so good. This is really good. For those of you who want to try out a recipe that's going to be healthy, and you can also be able to curb your sugar cravings with this type of breakfast, make sure that you start your day right. If you want more recipes, check out the WellnessKE YouTube channel. We also have even more information with regards to how you can take care of your health. Remember, you can place your orders for pumpkin seeds, for sesame seeds, for organic honey that we have, as you've seen in the recipe, and more like the herbal teas. All these are going to help you in improving your health. Bye guys.